Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to create a subpage in WordPress. In this guided walkthrough, you will learn the process step by step as we demonstrate how to navigate the WordPress interface to make one page a child of another, forming a structured subpage relationship within your website. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and visiting the WordPress website. Once the page loads, take a moment to locate the login option situated in the upper right corner of the home page. By clicking on the login option, you initiate the process of accessing your WordPress account, which is the gateway to managing your website. As you proceed, a login choice becomes visible. Select the option that says Continue with Google. This allows you to securely log into your account by choosing the Google account associated with your WordPress profile. This method streamlines the login process, ensuring a safe and efficient access to your site's dashboard. After successfully logging in, your attention should now turn to the Quick Links section. In this section, you will find the option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site brings you into a simplified site editor mode, where you can make structural changes to your website's design and layout without having to switch back and forth from the main dashboard. Once you have entered the site editor, look at the header area of your interface where the menu is displayed. Within the header, locate the menu page you wish to modify. This is an essential step because the subpage will be organized under one of these menu pages. When you click on the desired menu page, the process to adjust its content and structure will begin. This is an important transition point in the tutorial where you shift your focus from the general site overview to a more detailed examination of your menu structure. After clicking on the menu page, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the editor where you will find the Settings panel. Here, the panel provides several options and configurations that allow you to change settings related to the selected page. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the controls available in this panel, as these settings are crucial for effectively managing the structure of your website. Having located and reviewed the settings, the next step involves a simple drag and drop action. With your cursor, drag the page you wish to transform into a sub-page and move it into the primary menu page. By doing so, you are repositioning this page as a child of the selected parent page. This movement in the site editor indicates that the page is now nested under the main menu element, creating a clear hierarchy that enhances site navigation and organization. Following this straightforward drag and drop method completes the process of creating a subpage in WordPress. Now your site is structured with a parent page and a corresponding subpage, allowing for improved user experience and a more organized website layout. This tutorial explained each step clearly, ensuring that by following these instructions you can confidently manage your WordPress pages to create a logical and navigable structure for your visitors. Enjoy building your website with ease and efficiency.